So this is I teach principal applied engineering. There's a 8th grade course, but it's also a high school course, but just for the 8th graders. We're doing, well, this is my computer lab area over here. It's kind of like a bullpen, so I can see everybody's computers, of course. And over here is more of our makerspace and where we get our basic information.
You say makerspace. What does that mean?
Like a makerspace area where they can do their designs and build, right? Because you don't want to have it built on the computer. So they have plenty of tables over here where they can pull out their robot boxes and start building and piecing all their things together.
Very nice. What's the benefit of the student taking a class like that? And you talked a little bit about this in the hallway, kind of like this is getting them ready for the next steps, right?
So this is a high school course. So if they pass this course, they get a free high school credit.
Wow.
So they don't have to take it when they go to high school. So that's one step closer to graduating early or maybe moving on to something else.
Wow, and what are the prerequisites to get into a class like this?
For this class, you need to be a magnet student, or you can be one of the GT, gifted and talented students, and they'll put you in here. You
learn about the principles of engineering. What does that entail?
So, principles of engineering is more like a drafting and design. So you'll learn how to draw, how to measure. It also ties into our 3D printers right here, where they can 3D print their own objects.
Yeah.
Some things I printed myself. Like this, I was gonna print this out and put it on the back of my truck.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, really?
So I just try to find different things that kids can know. Oh, I can use that, or hey, Mr. Wilson put that on there, and I did that for them.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just things like that they'll really enjoy, down the line.
Very nice. What kind of career pathways does a course like this open up for students? And I mean, obviously they're starting very young right now in middle school, but what kind of career pathway?
This focuses like drafting and design, but of course it also taps into engineering and science and stuff like that. So it's just an intro to get them started. But of course, drafting is, you have to draw your stuff out, right, in order for it to be able to be built. And so you start right there, and then it just grows in whatever direction you want to go in.